guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela if you're new here. Today we are going to be styling a little black dress in 20-ish ways. This is the dress that I'm talking about. I thrifted it yesterday for $7 and I'm so happy about that because I've been wanting a black dress for a long time because it's one of those pieces that I truly think is timeless, and I know that that's kind of a hard thing to decide if something's timeless or not, but a black dress, black miniskirt, those staples I truly think are timeless pieces. I've really been wanting to add one to my collection, so I'm very excited that I thrifted this one yesterday. So anyways, let's get into styling. I'm kind of gonna do this like a lookbook style, so you won't have to hear me talk the whole time. Enjoy. You guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun filming it. It honestly challenged me to look through a lot of the pieces in my closet that I haven't touched in months and try and styling it in different ways. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it, and I hope that if you have a little black dress in your closet, this kind of inspires you to style it in different ways, whether it's for a super casual event or super fancy. Obviously, a lot of the styling in this video is just really changing your shoes, adding accessories, and layering, but that's really the key to any good outfit, so I kind of just took that and added it to the black dress, but it works. All my social media links will be in the description, and if you have any questions on where anything is from, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer it. Thank you guys, love you, see you next time, bye.